This has to be the worst master bedroom I've seen so far. Hey everybody, I'm Zach the Money Nutritionist, and if this is your first time to the channel, make sure to subscribe to stay up to date on finance and real estate. Today we're looking at the Wilson 2. It's an MI home up in Summer Walk, Davidson, North Carolina. Now this home is going to be a 5, 4.5. It starts at $486,000 and it averages around 3,500 square feet, but the price will depend on the upgrades. All right, so we're entering the front door, and as soon as you come in, it pops you into the dining room. I do love the tray ceiling there with the secondary wood color that does match the floor. So this is really nice. I do like how this is set up. It's a good size, good windows, good light, and the wall almost looks like it's textured, but when you get close, it's really just wallpaper. So I like that a lot. I like the design, the feel. This actually doesn't technically have to be a dining room. It could be a formal living room. The front door glass, I'm pretty sure my grandmother had the same design on her front door. Not a fan, but that's just me. That's just my personal opinion. That's what these videos are for. It's my personal critique. Now these homes, you know, this is pressing $500,000. So when you're spending that much money, this is going to be one of your most expensive purchases ever. So it needs to be well done. So we're gonna nitpick this as much as we can. So that would be your garage entrance over there. So you come into a bathroom. I don't like how the tile does not go to the ceiling. That's a big pet peeve of mine. I don't like those sliding doors. I hate those. The base of that shower is also an acrylic. It's like 200 bucks. They're very cheap. Yeah, they're water resistant or whatever, but you couldn't come up with something better. You couldn't just use tile. That would be such a much nicer upgrade. So you do have a room here. It could be an office. That's how it's set up now. You could use it as a guest suite or a guest bedroom. It would be a bit tiny if you did, but at least you have some flexibility. I would use it as an office. It's kind of removed from the rest of the house, and it is on the small side, and you do have a lot of windows there, which I like. I like the windows. It's not a negative thing. You do have a closet, so it will count as a bedroom. That's a tip. If you have a room and it has a closet, it will count as a bedroom. You have your cubbies here when you come in from the garage. I do like that feature. That would be an upgrade if you purchase this house. This is a model house, but if you said, hey, we want this in our actual house, then that would be an upgrade. It would add to that base $486 cost. So you have a closet and a bathroom right there, and then you have this beautiful column that just breaks up this open concept here. So imagine you have a guest come in the front door and they're like, hey, I'm here, where are you at? Oh, I'm behind the column washing the dishes. It's such an eyesore to me. I don't like that design. I really feel like they could have done a better job. That is a super thin quartz. It looks like quartz there. So that's super thin for an island. I like it when it's a bit thicker. But for the price, I guess that's average. That's the normal size. Nice windows here in the kitchen. Now the flooring, I'm going to guess that it's just LVP. It's luxury vinyl plank. Now the backsplash, those tiles, I've used those before, except they were black. I used them in a bathroom. They are very nice. You just have a range here in the kitchen. Your ovens are over there. It's a double stack. I like the cabinets. I like the color. The hood's really nice. I like the kitchen. It's a decent size. You have your 42-inch cabinets up top. Those look really nice. High ceiling. You have your little spot here for the Keurig beside the fridge. Stainless steel. I don't really have any problems with the kitchen other than the beam that just breaks it up, in my opinion. If that wasn't there, it'd just be a little bit nicer. And you have the farmhouse sink, except that's almost like a miniature farmhouse sink. It's not the full-size front that you're used to seeing. All right, so I like the open concept. This is really nice. You can entertain well. You've got your fireplace. But that is a lot of shelving. I love shelving personally. I love books, but in the living room, that's a bit much. This isn't a library. And I like the design behind it, but I think when you put the book titles there and and if you have different colored books, notice they did books that are almost the same color. When you have a variety of book sizes and colors, that's going to get very, very busy with the back and all of your books, if that's where you're putting your books. I just think that's just too much going on. Is that just me? I'm no designer, but that's too much. It's just too much for me. But I like the size. I can even deal with the lighting there. All right, so your little butler's pantry right here with the glass cabinets. I like that a lot for your stemware. Quartz countertop. Look at the left. Look on the left side. The gap. That should not be there. That's just lazy. Wine cooler. And then right into your dining room. And most likely this would be used as a formal dining room, especially with how the light fixture is. It's made to have a table under it. All right, backyard, no fence. If you have dogs or even kids, you would want to put up a fence. The back's already fenced, so that's helpful. I love how this is covered. It looks nice. It's a good size. It's like double-sided kind of. So you have plenty of room to entertain, especially if it's raining or something. You have even space for a dining table out here. Your built-in grill and preparation station. I like this a lot. I don't really have any problems with the backyard, the size, or any of this. Now notice the grass, that's something I've learned recently. So that's what they call sod. So it's a bit cheaper, but it's going to get brown when it's winter. That's the only downside. And those are the ones they bring to the house, and it comes in rolls and then they roll it out. I'm trying to get up on my grass game. That's something I've been trying to work on. Now this is up the stairs. They split the stairs going in two different directions. That feels like wasted space to me. I personally don't like it, but I get what they're trying to do. They're trying to separate the house and say, here's this specific area for this use, and here's this other area for your bedrooms, because this is going to be your bonus room up here, and it looks nice. I love the size. Yeah, the size is good. A pet peeve of my wife and I is that we would rather have a door there. If you're up here, say you've got a pool table or surround sound, or you're watching a game or you're entertaining, that sound is going to carry to the rest of the house. So it would be nice if you could put up a door that you could just close off the room to do what you want and have fun, and not, have your voice carry to the kids' rooms or to people hanging out downstairs. That's my only issue with this room. I like the size. It looks good. It's multi-purpose. But yeah, a door. Just a door there would have been nice. That's just a pet peeve of mine. All right, you've got one ceiling fan in there. I don't have any problems with this room. This would be above the garage, so they're maximizing the use of space here. You get in the bonus room. So this is coming back down the stairs to where it's split. Right, and that would be beside the kitchen down there. All right, so we're going up here. Now again, this is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, and we've seen 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom so far. There was another half bath downstairs, so there's 3 other bathrooms and 4 other bedrooms to see. That's odd right there at the top of the stairs. And then you go into the laundry room. I don't mind the black and white. I could deal with that. It's a laundry room. Take it or leave it. It's fine. I don't see any problems with that. I like that it's upstairs. I do think the laundry being on the same floor as the master is key. This bathroom I think is better than the one downstairs. The shower again doesn't go that's probably not, I don't think that's tile. I'm not sure, but I like the tile on the floor. I think they did a much better job with that bathroom. And that bathroom is going to be shared by the 2 bedrooms that are beside it. So this one, and there's another one on the other side. I kind of like the accent wall. Now notice, you know what? I just noticed the curtain rods. So the curtain rods, hopefully they show it again in a second. The curtain rods are at the ceiling. Look at that, look at that. That's not good design. The rod should only be 8 inches to maybe a foot at most above the window. It shouldn't be at the ceiling. I'm no designer again, but that's what my understanding is. Or it should be halfway between the top of the window and the ceiling. That's where you put a curtain rod. Let's check out the art. Oh yeah, checking out the art. All right, another bedroom here. They're, you know, average size. What's on the wall? I feel like I'm talking about the design more than the house. What is on the wall? As soon as I saw it, I thought that was E.T. What's going on here? Are you rock climbing? I don't know. That's so weird to me. All right, and you got some pegs to hang stuff. I don't know what's going on in this room. The bed is right across from the closet. Where do you put your TV? That's the only spot you could put your bed. That's so odd to me. There's just these little design features. I'm starting to not be a fan. I do not like the tub shower combo in this room. Even if it's a kid's room, I think you can do better. Man, this house is slowly starting to disappoint me. The size is great. 3,500 square feet is plenty. It has plenty of rooms. With the bonus room, you would get a 2 or 3 car garage. The size is great. It's just some of these design features. Lots of wallpaper in here. I don't know if wallpaper is making a comeback or what, but there's a lot of wallpaper in here. So I guess if you weren't doing twin beds, you'd put your bed on that wall, right? Or the one facing the window. But if you put it on the window, you would have to put your TV in the corner, because you got to account for that. Kids or guests are going to want that TV. You're not going to be able to fit one where those 2 lion heads are. What is happening with the design in this house? We're just gonna mount 2 lion heads on miniature lion heads and put some sloths on the bed. I mean, what? Is that just me? Am I crazy? I don't know who designed this house, but it is funny. Oh man. Okay, going into the master. I do like the 2 doors. Like, that is something I would want on mine. My master. I love how the tray ceiling here matches the floor, and it matches the ceiling in the dining room. So they kept that theme throughout the house. I do like that feature, actually. Pretty good windows in here, good lighting. This master's a great size. I like that a lot. But check this out. That's the only place you can really put your bed if it's a king size, and it's across from the closet. Again, TV. Again, do I want to wake up and stare at my closet? No. Why would you put the closet right here? And then wire racks in $500,000 house. And that's not enough space. You would need wire racks on the right side too, which means that is an extremely tiny closet. That's not enough space for 2 adults. Especially if one has a lot of clothes. There's no way that's enough closet space. That's not gonna work. It's just not. But I like the size of the master. They have, instead of 2 end tables, they've got 2 end dressers. Why? Just, I guess that accounts for the lack of closet space. They're like, you're gonna have to put end dressers. Sorry guys, no end tables here. Whatever. Okay. Is that an intercom or speakers? Maybe. That would be cool. Yeah, I don't know what they've got going on. Then they put that mirror on that bench. I don't know. I don't like this small door entry here. All right, bathroom, shower. Tile doesn't go to the top. It's a long stretch. I guess this would be your drying off area. I think that just takes up, I think that's a waste of space. I'd rather it be like a vanity, so it's something you can use. You tell me, would you rather have an area where you can dry off or an area for a vanity where you could get ready? You know, and then just have the opening to the shower further down. You know, I'm more of something I can use versus I can dry off wherever. This space right here seems wasted. There's no closet in here, so where a place to put my towels, my toilet paper, there's no way I'm gonna put it in the closet or under the sink. I think this is just not set up in an efficient way. I mean, you could have put the toilet right here and put a door right there. Actually, that's too tiny. This just needs to be redone. And then your towels are hanging right there. How are you getting to your towels? Why? Flip the shower. I can't with this bathroom. This is just poorly done. It's poorly done in my opinion. It's not functional at all. It seems too tight. That's just not gonna work. Cut the size of the master down a little bit and make a better functioning closet and bathroom. And that's the end of the video. Look, guys, that's the biggest selling point to a house in my opinion, outside of the kitchen, is the master bedroom. Kitchen and the master, and then bathrooms. Yeah, they say kitchen and bathrooms for value, but if your master is just lacking and that's where you're spending all of your time because you're paying for the house, you want it to be nice and functional. That's not enough closet space. That's not a big enough bathroom. That doesn't seem functional. That would drive you crazy. And then you're always saying, we don't have enough closet space. We don't have enough closet space. We're gonna have to move. That's your next answer. I thought the house was okay. For the price, I think it's overpriced personally. But yeah, there's some design things that need to be worked on. The design of how the layout was and the designer of whoever put the furniture in that house, because that needs some work. But I'm no designer, that's just my critique. So let me know what you think in the comments. If you had fun watching this, definitely give me a like, and I'll see you in the next video.